So you are making pokora.
Yes, Indian snacks, pakoras.
It is not like snack, it is like a food also.
Absolutely.
You have aloo, piyaz,
Aloo, pyaz, green
chili.
garlic.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and ginger.
Uh-huh.
Some green chilies also. So I'll mix all in a gram flour. It's called besan. It's gram flour. And with some spices.
Ground floor with basin.
Yeah, gram flour.
Ah.
So with some spices, then I'll make keep it deep fry. We will do deep fry.
So this is what?
It's a
Bhujia.
different kind of bhujia.
It's a sweet bhujia, yeah?
No.
No?
Very less spicy.
Mm.
Yeah, it's less spicy.
Less spicy and less salty.
Yes, and it's a soft texture
Yeah.
comparing to the original one.
Is it also bikaneri or not?
Yes, it's from Bikaner. It's Bikaneri.
That's nice. Yeah. Very mild.
I'm mixing gram flour.
Uh-huh. Gram flour, that means nuhut. Nuhut.
Nukhut.
Yeah, nuhut flour, yeah? Nutave muka. I don't know how they call it in English.
Basin gram flour.
Yeah.
Now adding some spices.
You have such beautiful spices set. This is what salt.
It's salt. It's cumin,
Uh-huh.
red chili powder.
Uh-huh. And that one, that also red something?
This one.
In the middle, yeah.
Different type of chili.
Smells good.
Yeah, Kashmiri chili. It's for color. I put some
Turmeric.
also. So I'll add water also.
To soak it, yeah?
Yes.
Is it warm or hot?
No, it's warm water. I'll make it warm. So okay, one more thing. Or you can see it's ajwain for.
Ajwain. Ajwain is very good for the stomach, yeah?
Yes, for digestion system and gastric problems.
Ajwain, ashgon.
And it's hing.
This is hing.
Hing.
Oh.
Yes.
No, I love hing.
Oh, me too. First I have to mix it in dry.
But your hing smells good, huh? It smells strong.
Okay.
Show me that. Yeah, it smells this vidaka.
Baby. First I have to mix it in dry form. So spices are equally
Mixed.
mixed equally. I put some water.
I saw in Pakistan, Irfan's wife made pakore, but from aloo. So she cut aloo. She mixed spices with besan flour.
We can make like that also.
And then she fried just aloo. She fried.
Okay, yeah. Avika is like only that one. Yeah, I'll make today also.
So this is also pakore.
Yeah, that is also pakora. Avika like that. Today I will make that also. Now we will.
So it is the texture became watery, yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'll cut some potatoes in that different way. So Avika will eat that. Avika likes to.
This ones I tried at Irfan's.
Oh, okay.
First you add gram flour,
Anything.
and only then you add spices, yeah?
Anything I can. There is no rule that we have to
Ajwain,
mix this. Yes, it's as well.
hing,
Yes. Red chili.
Kashmiri red chili,
Red chili. Cumin. Salt. A little bit this one.
mirch.
Now enough.
Okay. And this is, Garima, this is achar, yeah?
Yes.
Is
it's
it
pickle.
mango?
Yeah, mango pickle.
You made it yourself?
My mother made it for me.
Ah. And it's covered,
I
yeah?
just cover it by clothes. So I will keep it in a bowl. I can take it. It's filled in oil.
Yeah, it's teal oil.
Yes.
Mustard oil. Mustard.
No? Groundnut.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Peanut oil. Groundnut.
Ah, peanut oil.
Yeah.
Oh, how it smells.
You will taste it. You have to taste that. Now it's ready to fry. Now I'll fry it. Yeah, it's ready to fry.
You know, yeah, I'm so sorry that I didn't record how you made piyaz paratha in the morning.
We will make that again. Next time when I make that, then I will send you.
Uh-huh.
When it's ready to fry.
Yeah, so we are ready to fry.
Yes.
So you make it as a form of cutlet or you put it inside of bread?
No, directly I will dip it.
Ah, then it's good. I thought it is like those type of pakore, like they make pakore or kachori from in bread.
Not like that. I
Ah,
will fry it directly.
you know, I'm always afraid to fry.
Me too sometimes.
Because we make this gold type of things. We call it bausak.
Okay.
But I usually don't like frying.
You fry?
I don't fry because like for frying you use so much oil
Yes.
and then you cannot keep this oil, you just... But you know that we eat mostly boiled food, yeah? Because meat you boil and you drink the water of it, which we call sorpa, and we eat meat. How long you have to fry them?
To 1 to 2 minutes only. It will take time.
You know, I should have used the stabilizer to make a quality videos. But I guess for the students, this will be fine, yeah? They will know how to make pakore. So this is called pakore.
Yes. Mixed veg pakora.
Pakore, if it's many, yeah?
Yeah.
Pakora is one. No?
No, in quantity it's too many, then we can call it pakode, sorry.
Uh-huh.
But single is called pakoda.
Yeah, so I'm right. And kachori is something with filling.
Yes. With filling some.
And
pulses.
kachori is big, yeah?
Yes. It's big comparing to pakoda.
Can kachori be small?
Yes, absolutely. It
Yeah?
Can, yeah, it can.
Rajasthan has
Yeah.
best kachoris.
Yes, kachori.
And best bhujia,
Bhujia
Bikaner.
also, and yes,
Bhujia is from Bikaner, yeah?
yes, famous from there.
So it became golden brown.
It's ready to eat almost.
We will have it with chai or with cola.
With chai, and we can eat curd also and sauces also.
But sauces we don't have.
We have,
Oh, we have?
yeah, tomato sauce and the Szechuan sauce. With that we can eat that. Both sauces I have.
You prepared or you bought?
No, it's ready made.
And you're frying on which oil?
It's peanut oil,
Peanut.
groundnut oil, yes.
Peanut oil is good for frying.
There are so many oils. Different people are using different types of oil.
You
But
like
I
peanut?
like this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, but there are so many people is using soya bean oil.
Soya bean is...
Yeah, it's, I don't like that.
what about tail oil?
No, this is not good.
No good.
Not good.
It's heavy.
It's very cheap.
Yeah?
So you can keep it out in another plate.
Because we...
It's ready.
So those are hot and fresh pakore. Mom also takes it like a family. And this is that's aloo pakore.
Yes.
Don't put it this on YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube. Don't put it on YouTube.
Why?
So
I
many.
will.
Sure.
No.
I've already put it. A milk.
Milk. What is the milk? Why you don't want to put it milk? Milk is everywhere. Milk.
Milk is good.
What you will do to put it on YouTube? Milk.
It's good.
It's Indian
you know,
milk.
you know that Indian milk is the best. Because in Kazakhstan.
Now you can put. Now you can put it on.
Yeah, now I can put. Because you know, in Kazakhstan, you buy milk, and you don't have cream on it. Indian milk, you just leave for half an hour. There is a like a
Malai. We call it malai.
yeah, cream like so and so tasty.
Now you can put. Indian milk is the best milk in the world. Especially cow milk.
No, this is true.
Yes.
And chai, yeah. Chai has adrak. Is ginger, yeah.
Amber.
Amber.
Adrak.
Adrak.
Ginger.
Amber is something else.
Amber is nothing.
Amber is a stone, like a stone.
In Uzbekistan, they were calling amber.
Imbir. Imbir.
Imbir means
Ginger, adrak, imbir. Right. Amber is something else. Yeah.
Imbir.
Oh, more pakora. So this is mole, yeah? What does it signify? Huh? What does it signify?
It is a blessing of God.
So I wear it till what time?
Till whatever you wish, not completed.
Okay.